This is GCSE question number 9, 2020. Write these numbers in order of size. Start with the smallest number. We have 6.72 times 10 raised to the power of 5, 67.2 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4, 672 times 10 raised to the power of 4, and 0.00067. What we do, we say solution. We have to put these numbers in standard form. Then we rearrange in order of ascending. Standard form is of the form a times 10 raised to the power of n, where 1 is less than equal to a, less than equal to 10. So any number between 1 is involved, less than 10 is a. Then n is equal to integer. Integer, we have positive and negative numbers. So from what we have, the first one is already in standard form because we have 6.6 is less than 10 but greater than equal to 1, which I will write here, 6.72 times 10 raised to the power of 5. Then the second one is bigger than 10. We have to move this decimal from right to left, moving it once. Then moving it once, we are going to have 6.72 times 10. Because we move it from right to left, we have to increase the power of minus 4. When we increase the power of minus 4, we have minus 3. Because when we plus 1, it gives us minus 3. Then we continue. This we change to 672. We move the decimal point 2 times to be less than 10 and greater than 1. If we move it 2 times, we have 1, 2, meaning we have to raise the power plus 2. We have 6.72 times 10 raised to the power of 4 plus 2 gives us 6. Then the last one, we are moving decimal points to the right-hand side. If we are moving to the right-hand side, the power 10 will be negative. We are moving 1, 2, 3, 4. Meaning this will be 6.72 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4, because we move the decimal point from left-hand side to the right-hand side 4 times to give us minus 4. Now, the final answer is we have to rearrange in order of ascendant from the smallest to the biggest. Then, the negative power 4 is the smallest. So we write 6.72 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. Then the second one will give us minus 3, which is 6.72 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. The next one, we have power 6 and power 5, then which is 6.72 times 10 raised to the power of 5. And the last one is 6.72 times 10 raised to the power of 6. So we have arranged it in order of size. From the exam question paper, this question carries 2 marks. The marks goes from the standard form, half. Then we have half here, line 2. We have another half and another half. If you add up half plus half plus half gives us 2 marks. If this helped, please subscribe, like and share so I can bring more GCSE past question paper question. Thank you.